Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. So I got the used Powercolor Hellhound and the Radeon RX6600. So not the non-XT version. So this utilizes the RDNA2 architecture. So this GPU is for 1080p and it has a 8GB DDR6 and it supports PCIe 4.0. Yeah, unleash the gaming power. So I'll be using this GPU on Genshin Impact and Honkai Star Rail at 1080p, which is more than enough. And I got this for use at 700 ringgit, which I've gotten lower, but it is what it is in the market today. Let's see what does it say. So it's a 7nm GPU and supports DirectX 12 Ultimate, GDDR6, PCIe 4.0, supports FreeSync, DisplayPort 1.4 with DSC, HDMI 2.1 VRR, video streaming up to 8K, Radeon VR Ready Premium, AMD Fidelity FX, supports up to FSR 3.1, not FSR 4.1, and then Radeon Image Sharpening. So you need a PCIe of at least a 16 slot, minimum 500 watt or greater, minimum 8 GB or system RAM, recommend 16 GB. So I'll do that. And then display HDMI DisplayPort is required, yada yada. Let's go through the features of this motherboard. So let me just go down like here, like so. See, you have backplate here, metal backplate, and then it's dual fan. Each of it is 10 cm. Pretty cool. So Dr. Moss here, it says, haha, superior power efficiency and offers better thermal protection. Cooler, and then there's 3x6 heat pipe. I think 6 is 6 mm. And then some LED lights here. It is blue only. Then you have 2 ball bearing system, 4 times radiator longevity, it says. Milk fan technology, so it's when it's less than 60 Celsius, it won't spin, so that it stays dead silent. But then if it's more than 60 degree, it will start spinning the fan. Copper based direct touch. So without further ado, let's open this box up. Like I said, it's a used set, but it's a fine. I mean, at least it comes in full box. Oh, actually, I thought this thing comes out together, but oh well. And this is the CPU itself. It is taller than the PCIe brackets here, and then the PCIe bracket is black though. So as you can see, there's 1.4 DisplayPort times 3, and the HDMI 2.1 is in the middle. And these fans are 10 cm, dual cooling, and then one of it is losing a sticker, I guess. And these are only in blue color. And yeah, there's a switch here. Don't know if you can see it. There's a switch here. You can toggle on and off of your blue lights on the fan. So I'm going to toggle it on for now, just to check if the fan is working and if the fan LED is working. And then you have this 1x8 pin PCIe power required. So no flow through, but this is only a 130 watt GPU, so I don't expect it to draw a lot of power and then to create a lot of heat. The PCB does cover about the entire length of the GPU here, and this shroud is all plastic, except that the back panel is metal. I think it's usually the aluminum. Here is the PCIe itself. I've lost the cover there. It didn't come with the cover. And then the Radeon logo here. Nothing, no RGB whatsoever. So yeah, that's about it. I'll be putting this in my budget gaming PC here. So if you want to see me building a budget PC building, look up for my channel. So yeah, thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and share the video if you found this useful, and I will catch you guys next time. Bye bye.